There's one number that tells you the truth about your money, and almost nobody your age has ever actually calculated it. It's not your salary. It's not what's sitting in your checking account right now. It's your net worth, and it is the only real scoreboard you have. Here's why that matters. Someone making $90,000 a year can easily be worth less than someone making $45,000. Same city, same age, completely different number. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly what net worth is, walk you through calculating yours in about 10 minutes on your phone, explain why a negative number right now is completely normal and not a red flag, and give you the one habit that actually makes this number move. By the end of this video, you will know your number. What net worth actually is. Last time we split everything you own into two buckets. Assets, which put money in your pocket, and liabilities, which take money out. Net worth is just those two buckets against each other. Everything you own minus everything you owe. That's the whole formula. No finance degree required. If you own $8,000 worth of stuff and you owe $12,000, your net worth is negative $4,000. If you own $20,000 and owe $5,000, you're at $15,000. That's it. The reason this number is so powerful is that it's impossible to lie to. Your salary can look great. Your outfit can look great. Your net worth doesn't care about any of that. It only measures what actually stuck. How to calculate yours right now. Open your Notes app. 2 columns. Column 1, what you own. Cash in checking, cash in savings, anything in a brokerage account, your Roth IRA, your 401k, even if you just started it, even if it's $300. Your car, but here's the important part. Not what you paid for it, what you could actually sell it for today. Look it up on Kelley Blue Book. It takes 2 minutes. If you own a home, use the current market value. Now here's what does not go in that column. Your clothes, your PS5, your sneaker collection, your furniture. Technically, you could sell them, realistically you won't, and they're worth a fraction of what you paid. Leave them out. If it isn't worth at least $1,000 and you wouldn't actually list it, skip it. Column 2, what you owe. Credit card balances, student loans, both federal and private, the full remaining balance. Your car loan, any buy now, pay later stuff you've got floating. Medical bills, money you borrowed from your parents that you both quietly pretend isn't a loan. Add up column 1. Add up column 2. Subtract the second from the first. That's your net worth. Write it down and put today's date next to it. Why a negative number is fine. Your net worth came out negative? Good news. So is a brand new doctor's. Someone walks out of medical school owing $250,000 with almost nothing saved. Deeply negative. Also about to out-earn basically everyone in the country. Negative doesn't mean broke. It usually means you borrowed to build something like a degree or a skill, or you're just early. You're 22, you've been working 8 months, you have loans. Of course it's negative. You haven't had time yet. And here's the part nobody tells you. Net worth isn't a grade, it's a direction. Going from negative $30,000 to negative $22,000 in a year? You're crushing it. Going from $5,000 down to $2,000? You're in trouble, even though your number looks better on paper. So stop panicking at the total. The only question that matters is whether the arrow is pointing up. Why this beats your salary? Your salary measures what comes in. Your net worth measures what stayed. That gap is where most people lose the game. You get a raise, and within about 3 months, the raise is gone. Nicer apartment, upgraded car, more takeout. Your income went up 20% and your net worth didn't move at all. That's called lifestyle creep, and it's the single most common reason high earners end up with nothing. Net worth catches this instantly. It's the only number that shows you whether a raise actually made you richer or just made you busier. It also flips how you think about debt. Paying $500 toward a credit card feels like losing $500. On your net worth, it isn't a loss at all. Your liabilities went down by $500, so your net worth went up by $500. Same math as investing $500. That reframe alone gets a lot of people to finally attack their debt. The one habit. Track it once a month. That's the habit. Same day every month, 5 minutes. Update the 2 columns and write the new number down. That's it. No app required, though there are apps that will do it automatically if you'd rather. Once a month is the sweet spot. Check it daily and you'll obsess over market noise. Check it once a year and you won't catch problems in time to fix them. And you only have 2 levers. Grow what you own, shrink what you owe. Every good money decision you'll ever make is one of those 2 things. Investing $100 grows column 1. Paying off a card shrinks column 2. Both push the same number the same direction. After about 6 months, you'll have a line on a chart instead of a single number, and that line will tell you more about your financial life than your paycheck ever will. So everything you own, minus everything you owe. Calculate it tonight, date it, and check it once a month. Negative is fine. Flat is the warning sign. Up and to the right is the whole game. Now, I mentioned lifestyle creep and I glossed over it, but it deserves its own video because it is the reason people making 6 figures still feel broke. Next time, I'm breaking down exactly how raises disappear, the specific upgrades that quietly eat them, and how to keep most of your next raise without living like a monk. Subscribe so you catch it.